Hello friends, in this video we learn how to remember values of all trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree angles. First of all, we'll draw a table and we'll take angle A as reference. We'll write trigonometric ratios along the column, and after that we'll write the angles along the row. Now I'll draw a line here to make space to show any calculation if needed while explaining. The basic idea is that you only need to remember the values of sine ratio, and then you can figure out values of any other trigonometric ratio easily. Now the values of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Now to write the values of cos for these angles, copy these values of sine in reverse order. Now cos 0 will be 1, cos 30 will be root 3 by 2, cos 45 will be 1 by root 2, cos 60 will be 1 by 2, and cos 90 will be 0. Now to write the values of tan for these angles, we'll divide the values of sine with corresponding value of cos. For example, tan 0 will be equal to sine 0 divided by cos 0. Now the values of sine 0 and cos 0 are 0 and 1, therefore it will be 0 divided by 1, and we have tan 0 as 0. For tan 30, we need to divide sine 30 with cos 30. Therefore, we'll have 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. Now, here we need to divide two fractions. So in that case, we multiply the numerator of first fraction with denominator of second fraction and multiply denominator of first fraction with numerator of second fraction. In short, we multiply first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction. Therefore, we have 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 by root 3. Now, we see that 2 is in division with 2, therefore they cancel out each other and we have 1 by root 3. Therefore, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. For tan 45, we divide 1 by root 2 with 1 by root 2. Since the numerator and denominator are same, they cancel out each other and we have tan 45 is equal to 1. For tan 60, we'll multiply sine 60 with the reciprocal of cos 60. So we have root 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 1. 2 and 2 cancel out each other. Therefore, we have tan 60 equal to root 3. For tan 90, we have 1 divided by 0. It is an indeterminate form. Therefore, we write tan 90 as not defined. For cosec, we'll take the reciprocal of corresponding values of sine. For example, for cosec 0, we'll take the reciprocal of sine 0. Sine 0 is 0 and it can be interpreted as 0 by 1. Its reciprocal will be 1 divided by 0. And as we know, 1 by 0 is not defined. Therefore, cosec 0 will be not defined. For cosec 30, we'll take reciprocal of 1 by 2. Therefore, cosec 30 is equal to 2. Cosec 45, we'll have root 2. And for cosec 60, we'll have 2 divided by root 3. And for cosec 90, we'll have 1. For sec A, we'll take reciprocal of corresponding values of cos A. Therefore, sec 0, we'll have reciprocal of cos 0. Hence, we have sec 0 is equal to 1. For sec 30, we'll take reciprocal of root 3 by 2. Therefore, sec A will be 2 by root 3. For sec 45, we'll take reciprocal of cos 45, that is reciprocal of 1 by root 2. Therefore, sec 45 is root 2. For sec 60, reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2, therefore sec 60 is equal to 2. For sec 90, we'll take reciprocal of 0, which will be 1 by 0, hence sec 90 is not defined. For cot A, we'll take reciprocal of corresponding values of 10A. For cot 0, we'll take reciprocal of 0, hence cot 0 will be not defined. For cot 30, we'll take reciprocal of tan 30, that is reciprocal of 1 by root 3. Therefore, cot 30 will be root 3. Value of tan 45 is 1, its reciprocal will be 1. Therefore, cot 45 is 1. For cot 60, we'll take reciprocal of root 3, hence cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. For cot 90, we need to take the reciprocal of tan 90. Not defined can be written as 1 by 0, therefore its reciprocal will be 0, hence cot 90 is 0. So friends, this is the easiest way to understand and learn this table. I hope you'd find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Happy Learning to get updates of the videos. You can follow Happy Learning on Facebook and Twitter using the links given in the description below. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Write down your suggestions and queries in the comment section. We'll learn something new in the next one. Happy learning!